Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I am docLUXURY and I'm here with another video for you. This time, surprise surprise, I have another unboxing. So yeah, stay tuned to see what I got. I'm just noticing, look at my watch tan. It's like been so sunny here in Minnesota, which is a very nice change from, you know, winter and the snow. And just to think, the snow is coming back in a few months. It's very sad, but I will enjoy it. I will enjoy the sun as much as I can. But yeah, so I found this item on eBay, and here's a clue to what it is. I have had this item before. I've actually had it several times before, and every single time I've got it, I've always never used it. And yeah, so let's just go ahead and open it up here, and I'll go more into why I've never used it. So here's my blade. Here's the box, and I'll go ahead and cut it open. So the reason why I've never used it is because I've always used, well, not all of my things fit in it. Anyways, let's go ahead and, before I give it away completely, so here's what it looks like on the inside. Some tissue paper. And now I do know it is a older item. Here is the box, and it does have the information on the side of the box. This is one of the older packaging. You can tell by the shiny box as opposed to the matte black of the current boxes. And here is the camellia flower, which is also one of the older camellia flowers. But let's go ahead and open it up. So I did find this on eBay, and it was classified as brand new. So let's go ahead and check this guy out. So, let me go ahead and unbox it with you guys. So it is the 6 key case, or the Chanel 6 key case in the caviar leather with the gold hardware. And so the reason why I decided to get this again, and the reason why I decided to get it again is because I thought I could try actually using it, but also I know that this is no longer being sold in the stores, specifically the 6 key case version, because they recently, oh my goodness. Okay, so they recently updated it to, I think, a 4 key ring, and then there's also a key ring at the bottom of it where you could have your, you know, larger dongles, key dongles, to just, you know, flop out. But what I am noticing here, so I don't know if you guys can see it, if it'll focus. Come on, focus. So I don't know if you guys can see it, but there are a ton of scratches on this piece, and actually this piece already feels like it's not brand new, where the leather is very not as stiff. Let me go ahead and open it up. Okay, so okay, so this piece is definitely not brand new. You guys can see that there is marks on the leather here, which, okay, you know, these rings will cause indentation like during storage, but you can see sort of like a faint line right here. I don't know if you could really see it, but I could see it, and that's where, like, the edge, I'm sure, of a credit card, and I don't have my wallet or a credit card handy, but I could also see, like right here, you can see sort of like an imprint of a key, and you can see like some of that, and there's like a bend there. This is not brand new, and so yeah, I did purchase this over retail also. The retail, and even the, oh my goodness, so even the key rings inside of this is noticeably used. But so let me just go in here. So here is the authenticity card. Even this is pretty scratched up. And for those of you who have never seen this type of packaging before, previously, so this is an 18 series, and I'm not exactly sure what year that corresponds to, but before they started using dust bags, the dust bags that we're all familiar with the Chanel small leather goods, they used to only just use a piece of felt. And so I know that this piece is authentic. Also, it has the information right here, the code right here. And I mean, I've had so many Chanel SLGs, and I'm pretty good at telling what's a fake or not. The only thing that's not cool about this piece is that it is not brand new as it was advertised. And so I have even there's some frayed stitches. I don't know if you can see if it'll focus. Anyway, there's some frayed stitches up here. Yeah, this is horrible. So I have vowed, so I did, like I said, I purchased this from eBay, and I vowed not to sell anything from eBay anymore because they have lousy seller protection. But as far as a buyer is concerned, I'm still willing to purchase things off eBay because, yeah, this is definitely going back. Yeah, this is not cool. I mean, the hardware is so scratched up, it is ridiculous. So hopefully the seller will you know, not put up a fight and accept a return on this item, because yeah, I mean, this is definitely not brand new. And see, this is another reason why you guys should, or this is another reason why, and I've said this before, that I like doing unboxings here in front of you guys, not because I'm trying to show off or anything, but it is also insurance in case something like this happens, where you get something that was advertised as brand new and it is obviously not. So I know these pieces are getting harder and harder to find because, like I said, they are discontinued. And so before this piece was discontinued, the retail price was $550. And I'll go ahead and tell you right now how much I paid for this. I paid $650. And I thought that was a good deal because they had originally listed this at, I think, over $700. And I got them to come down a little bit on the price. And the current retail price of the updated version of this piece is $750. And so I thought I was still getting a good deal with this item, only if it was brand new, but obviously it is not. So yeah, this piece is going back, and lucky for me, I was the buyer in this case. And so I will definitely get my money back. And not only will I get my money back, but I will also have the seller pay for shipping charges back to them. So yeah, so this was a total fail unboxing, and I am debating whether or not I should post it or not, but I think I still will, because yeah, you don't really see occasions very much where unboxings go like this. They're usually supposed to be very happy. I mean, I'm sort of really tired right now. It's past 10 p.m. at night, but I just have been having a hard time finding time to actually film videos, and this is the time when I can do it. So yeah, I guess that's all I really wanted to say. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and yeah, look out for more. Until next time, remember to be you and stay confident. Take care, you guys. Bye.